In this video, I will show you how to fix Wait, Are You Human on Discord. So the first step is to simply go to the website version of Discord. I really recommend you to use Google Chrome because it's way easier to fix this problem. So after you open Chrome and then you log in into your Discord account, you're gonna have to simply open a new tab and then simply search for Chrome Web Store. And after that, you're gonna have to simply install this Chrome extension, which is called Buster. And then after you install this, so it's gonna look something similar to this. So you're gonna have to simply install it and then simply refresh Discord, and basically that's all you have to do in order to fix this Wait, Are You Human pop-up. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.